Welcome back, fans, to another show here on Monster Truck Classics. And we are going to be looking at the Spin Master Monster Jam training trucks. I'm going to be opening one up. This was pretty cool how they had the all-new 2019 on the front of the bubble package like that. And then they also had that Monster Jam Authentic. This one is El Toro Loco. And this has a metal base, and everything else is plastic. There is BKT printing on the tires. So that's El Toro Loco. And this is also, you will get a little mini figure and also a poster. So there is a lot that they gave you back in 2019 with the new trucks. Here is EARTHSHAKER, which I'm going to be unboxing here in this video. The other trucks in the series I'll be showing you also. And then here is Dragon. What Dragon looked like. I'll bring it up closer. That's Dragon. And then Gravedigger. I think I got this one off of the Monster Jam Superstore. Or maybe I purchased it on my own, because as you can see back here, it is different than the other ones with that have the pictures, and so the back of the card is different. So this was the start of the chase pieces. So there we have a plastic minifigure just like that, and then on the bottom here includes poster, and you also got problems question card from Spin Master back then. Let me set that there, and let me go ahead and pull out this poster. So the poster is of Gravedigger, and then we get, looks like Kristen Anderson autograph on the back. Wow. Did they put all of the trucks in Series 1 or Series 2? I'm not sure. Let's go ahead. There is a whole bunch of trucks on the back of this card. And they even gave you what little series that they came in. So right there you could see Nitro Neon Gravedigger. There's Son of a Digger Legacy Trucks. There's Monster Mutt Rottweiler and the Rough Crowd, Scarlet Bandit, Danger Divas, Hurricane Force, Forces of Nature, the Green Juster, Arena Favorites, Retro Rebels, is King Crunch. Over here they have the training trucks. There's El Toro Loco, Megalodon training truck. There's Gravedigger, EARTHSHAKER, Zombie. Okay, there's another truck that I don't have as a training truck, is Zombie. So I'm not gonna go into all of these. On to the diecast truck. We get the BKT lettering on the tires, and then the wheels are a gold metallic that really pop. And then also we get a white roll cage, and then a metal base, the metal chassis for the truck to keep it die-cast. And then we get a little piece of the body of the truck, so to speak. Not too much. I shouldn't say really the body, because it's not exactly like the EARTHSHAKER body. It is a little bit, it is different. There is a Monster Jam logo. They do have the EARTHSHAKER name on the truck. And then here onto the front, we have this, and then these two little lines here look like, I would say, like a dark brown. And then you can see the driver right inside there, hopefully. And then there's another part where you can see the driver in there. And then here is the other side of the training truck, and then a view from the back. You can see the details of the motor there in the back. And then on top, this little metal plastic This is plastic here up top here, but it's supposed to look like metal for a safety feature for the driver. So this is the unboxing of EARTHSHAKER training truck, and then you got the little figure that went along with it, and then also the poster. So thank you for tuning in. Hopefully you enjoyed this unboxing